Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Breezy HR to Google Sheets step by step clearly. To connect Breezy HR to Google Sheets, first, log into your Breezy HR account. Navigate to the Integrations section in your Breezy HR dashboard. Look for the Google Sheets integration option. Click on the Connect button next to Google Sheets. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and click Next. Grant Breezy HR the necessary permissions to access your Google Sheets. Once permissions are granted, return to the Breezy HR integrations page. Select the specific data you want to export to Google Sheets. Choose the relevant templates or custom fields you wish to include. Click on the Save or Update button to finalize your selection. Now, open Google Sheets in a new tab or window. Create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. Navigate to the Extensions menu at the top of the Google Sheets interface. Click on Add-ons, then select Get Add-ons. Search for the Breezy HR Integration add-on and click on it. Install the add-on by following the prompts on your screen. Once installed, return to the Extensions menu. Hover over the Breezy HR add-on to reveal the options. Select Import Data from the Breezy HR menu. This will initiate the data import process from Breezy HR to Google Sheets. Choose the data you want to import based on the previously selected criteria. Click the Import button to start the transfer. Wait for the data to load into your Google Sheets. Once completed, review the imported data for accuracy. Your Breezy HR data is now successfully connected to Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.